Welcome to the EPADS version 2.0 tutorial. By the end of this session, you will understand how to record goods, services, and works that have already been purchased within the petty purchase limit. In this video, we will guide you through the petty purchase process step by step, using the individually for each item option. Let's get started. For recording already purchased item within petty purchase limit, go to the procurement domain, click Annual Plan, then click My Procurement. Now click Add New Procurement button. Now, design your procurement and provide the detail of the person who initiated this procurement. Before proceeding, keep the delivery challenge and invoice of the supplier in PDF form. Insert procurement title. Select procurement type. Select budget type, non-development or development. Insert estimated cost. Remember, it must not exceed petty purchase limit. The procurement method was automatically selected by the system based on the estimated cost you entered. Now, insert the allocation in this head. Remember, it must not be less than the invoice price. Select Tentative Date of Procurement. Provide the information of the person who initiated and executed this procurement. Now click Save button below. Your procurement activity has been part of the current year annual plan. Current status is Planned. Click Pencil icon to proceed. Click Save and Next button. Here, select Post-Facto Purchase, as the procurement has already been completed and is now being included in the annual plan. Choose individually each item or lot as a whole option, as the case may be. In this case, the item was procured individually, so select the option accordingly. Now, provide the details of the procured item. The details must match the invoice you have. Enter Title, United Nations Standard Products and Services Code, quantity you procured, unit of measurement, schedule of delivery, and technical specifications of the item procured. You can enter technical specifications here in 3 ways. First, in text form. Second, in a table. And lastly, by importing an Excel file. Use table for this case. Enter and add the details of all technical specifications one by one here. Now click Save button below. Click Save and Next button. Import picture of the procured item. Remember, it is optional, and then click Save and Next button. Now enter the cost of the procured item. Basically, it is invoice price of the procured item. Remember, invoice price must not be greater than the procurement limit. In this case, limit is Rs 100,000. For example, if the entered cost of a procured item exceeds Rs 100,000, the system will block the entry and the green strip will turn red. Now enter the correct invoice price of the procured item. Now upload the invoice of the item. Make sure it is in PDF form. Click Save and Next button below. The procured item has been successfully added to the annual plan for the current year. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped clarify your understanding.